Most of it centers around the choir, and choirs are becoming a thing of the past. A lot of people don't want choirs because there's no solos, there's no spotlight. But I find that people come to this production to see the choir and to see as we have 90 voices, all singing together, all doing the same thing together, is very impressive to people because it's becoming a thing of the past. Kids come in droves here at the church, so a lot of times it's more like we're sorry you didn't come to enough rehearsals to learn the music. But we have about 45 kids singing this year, so the kids are a huge part. I use young people. I've had youth ensembles, I've had cheerleaders, I've had a drum line, I've used the young people like in high school age, and then this year we're adding a little bit of acting because we're hoping next year to do a full drama musical, which we've done over the years. Sometimes they've been kind of like a variety concert, like tonight, where it's kind of variety happening. The first half being very lighthearted. I mean, there's a Santa Claus, there's a little bit of everything, little pentatonics, there's all these different things happening. And then the second half gets much more about the birth of Christ. The songs are very gospel orientation this year, so that's great. But you can see on this program how many participants there are. There's like 90 vocals. There's a children's choir. We really have a history, for sure.